Are you thinking to program your Notion integration? Stay tuned in this video to find out. Hi, I'm Alessandro Belli, and in this channel we talk about Notion, programming and productivity. And today I would like to show you how to program your Notion extension or integration, how you like to call it. For this tutorial you need Node.js installed and npm installed. Start by creating a Notion extension on this link and keep this tab open because we need something from this. Next, go to your Notion workspace, create a test database, and then click the share button and include the extension that you just created. I will now go to the terminal and type mkdir get started to create a folder for my project. Navigate inside the folder and type npm init to create a repository with your data. You will be able to change this data later on. Open the folder with your favorite code editor, in my case Visual Studio Code. Paste that code that you see to install the Notion development package. Then install the package .env to handle your secret variables. Create a .env file that stores your secret variables as shown. One is the Notion secret and the other is the database ID. The Notion secret is in the tab that you checked before. To get the database ID, you should open your database in a browser, and when it's open, it's the first series of numbers that you see. Create an index.js file. You can paste the code that you find in the description or the one that is given by Notion for the Get Started guide. Then go over the terminal and type node index.js, and the code is working. Enjoy it! If this video was any help, please consider to like and subscribe. This helps me a lot to understand if you want this kind of video and to make me do more videos. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you the next time. Bye bye!